Imagine waking up one day, logging into your student loan account, and seeing a big, bold number, $0. Feels impossible? It's not. Every second you wait, interest is adding up. But what if I told you that you can crush your student loans and save $10,000 at the same time? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to pay off your student loans quickly while building a financial cushion for your future. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room, student loans. For many of us, they're not just numbers on a page. They're a heavy weight, stealing our paychecks and our peace of mind. Here's the scary part. Every month you make only the minimum payment, you're handing over hundreds, if not thousands in interest. That's money you'll never get back. If only it were that simple, right? But don't worry, we're about to flip the script and take control. It starts with a mindset shift. Your student loans don't control you, you control them. And here's how we're going to prove it. Point 1, the snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method is all about momentum. Pay off your smallest loan first while making minimum payments on the others. Each payoff gives you a psychological win that keeps you going. But if you're all about saving money, the avalanche method might be your best friend. Focus on paying off the loan with the highest interest rate first. Snowball or avalanche, pick your fighter. Both work, as long as you stay consistent. Point 2, increase income through side hustles. Next, let's talk income. To pay off your loans quickly, you'll need extra cash flow, but don't panic. You don't have to work 24/7. Even a part-time side hustle can add hundreds to your monthly payments. Every dollar you make outside of your main job isn't just income, it's freedom. Not unless you're getting paid to review Netflix shows. Let's focus on side hustles that actually pay. Point 3, leverage refinancing. Wisely now, refinancing. If your credit score has improved since you first took out your loans, you could qualify for a lower interest rate. That means more of your payment goes toward the principal. But be careful, don't refinance federal loans into private ones unless you're sure you won't need benefits like income-driven repayment or loan forgiveness. But saving $10,000 isn't just about paying off loans. What if I told you there's a strategy to build your savings while crushing debt? Stick around, because this next step changes everything. Point 4, automate your savings and payments. Here's the secret sauce, automation. Set up automatic payments for your loans and automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account. This way, saving and paying off debt becomes effortless. When you automate, you eliminate the temptation to spend that money. Out of sight, out of mind, and straight into building your future. Point 5, budget like a pro. Budgeting is your best friend here. Use the 50-30-20 rule or any method that works for you. The goal? Allocate as much as you can toward your loans and savings without sacrificing your sanity. Not necessarily. Budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritization. You can have your coffee, just maybe not the $8 latte every day. You're doing the work, paying down debt and building your savings. But what's the one habit that guarantees you'll stay on track? Stick around, because this final tip is the game changer. Stay disciplined and celebrate wins. The secret to success is discipline. Track your progress, celebrate milestones, and remind yourself why you started. This isn't just about numbers, it's about freedom. Every loan you pay off, every dollar you save is one step closer to living the life you've dreamed of. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Drop a comment below with your plan to crush those student loans. And if this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's make 2025 the year you save $10,000 and finally break free from debt.